Welcome back to my channel, baby. We are doing this look today. We're just going to focus on the eyes. Yep, just on the beautiful eyes. And so today we're doing this beautiful, soft, sultry brown. It's just dealing with all the browns and the nudes. It's just loving it. Just loving all this brown goodness. I'm going to do the face makeup in another video. I will make sure that I link it in one of the cards. It'll be up there or up there. Just make sure you comment over there and let me know that you're coming from this video so I can give you a shout out. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this video. Girl, so one thing about me, I'm gonna drop something. So I really wanted to do this video before Thanksgiving because I wanted to give you guys like a nice little look. I want this video to be a little bit more like my lives where it's not so edited, you know, not too much edits. We're gonna do a look and then I'll come back with my face fully done and then, you know, so on and so forth. So first things first, my lips are so dry. Go ahead and add that. I have in front of me a palette that I haven't touched in so long, but I'm gonna use it today. The Lion King palette. Look how gorgeous. Gorgeous. And we're gonna create a nice little, you know, we're gonna focus on the browns in this palette, the matte colors. Oh, stunning. And remember, I don't know if you guys remember, but in one of my lives, I mentioned that I don't like these concealers for under the eyes because they crease so bad. So I'm gonna just start using them for my base, for my eyes, for my eyeshadow. So let's do that now. I'm gonna lay it on kind of thick today. And that's shade 330. This doesn't really matter, just, you know, it really does not matter. I'm just adding on my little concealer. That way I can give my my paint pot a break for a little bit. How are you guys? Are you guys ready for Thanksgiving? So I'm just getting that. Oh, that is a beautiful blend. Oh, that is so pretty. Love that. But yeah, I'm so ready for Thanksgiving. I'm doing cooking. I mean, let me change my way of thinking. I'm excited to be cooking. I'm very excited. But I'm just not excited because, girl, I'm really about to be on my you-know-what, and that's like not fair. I want to eat good. I want to eat so good. And around that time, I'm not like really that hungry, so. Okay, so now that we have her nice and blended, oh, she looks great. Use an OG because this is just on my eyes. So we're gonna use the Coty Airspun. Y'all remember that? Girl. So we're gonna use this. Did I use most of it? Okay, no I didn't. Still have a bunch. The smell, it's like baby powder. I love it. But we're gonna use that on the lid. And I'm definitely gonna set this. So let's get my brush. Girl, where are you? So we're gonna use this brush here. And, ooh, I'm gonna get that powder onto my brush. And I'm gonna just start setting. If you ever have a concealer that you don't really care too much for, don't throw it away, girl. Just use it, but use it the way that I'm using it. And I'm really setting this lid like crazy because I do not want any creasing. So you see how smooth that is? That is really, really smooth. Really smooth. So now I'm gonna use some Scotch tape. And I don't care what people have to say. If you do not want to deal with trying to clean up your liner or whatever, I'm gonna do a smoked out liner today. I think I am. I'm not sure yet. We gonna see. We gonna let this video just flow, you know? I'm just gonna let it flow. But if you are not one to like do liner very well, do this, girl. Okay. Okay. I think that's straight. Now I have to put it all the way under here, girl. I'm just being extra. I want to just get this out really quick. Something really cute and just simple-ish, you know? So these are the colors that we have. So we're gonna use this shade here. And I'm gonna just put that on the brow bone. We're gonna pack this on a little bit so you can really see it. And I'm just gonna put it right there for now. I'm just packing it. There we go. Now I'm also gonna just use that same shade. So I'm gonna just use that right in here. And then we're gonna start to build up all in the creasing out here. Right now I'm gonna use the shade King. So that first shade was Wisdom right there. That was Wisdom, and now I'm gonna use King, and that's this one right here. So you see it's a little bit darker. I'm gonna wipe this brush off. Wipe this off a bit on my little dirty t-shirt that I use specifically for eyeshadow. So we're going to dip into King, and I'm gonna really work this into the crease. And I'm gonna also start to bring that out here. All right, that looks so pretty. It looks so pretty. All right, so just so that you guys can see it a little bit more, I'm gonna go into African Clay now, this one here. So I'm putting this on the outer corner. And I'm strictly working with one palette because I wanna show you guys can just use one palette to, you know, do beautiful eyeshadow looks. You don't have to always jump around to a bunch of different palettes like I always do. And I just do it. It's not like there's any particular reason. I just do it sometimes, but sometimes you can just use, you know, what you have. All right. Love that. Love, love, love. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the same brush and we're gonna dip into Pride Rock. Pride Rock is the deepest of all the shades. So that's Pride Rock. That's what we're gonna use. And I'm gonna just pull that right out here. That way you can really see all those different colors. And then just use this to lightly, and I do mean lightly, shade right in here into the crease. Just a little bit. We're not trying to do too much. Okay, I'm also gonna use that same brush to go right over the lash line, right there. All right, so now I'm gonna go back in with that first shade, Wisdom. And I'm just gonna really pack that right there. And now it's gonna really pop against all those other shades. Now let's pull this off. Oh, it feels so moist right there, girl. So now I'm going to finish the whole eye. I'm gonna just do it now. And I'm gonna just place this concealer under here. This is something I generally would not do, but I want the eyes to be finished because I'm gonna do the face off camera, so I'm just gonna put that right under there. And I'm not gonna use any powder or anything like that to set it. I'm just gonna work right on top of it. I'm gonna use this brush here. Go ahead and dip right into King, which is the second color that I started using. I'm actually gonna stamp that on. Now I'm gonna go in with African Clay. It starts to look a lot better when you actually have makeup on the whole face. Now I'm gonna go in with Pride Rock. Get right in there. Now I'm gonna go in with Safari Khaki and Wisdom. I'm gonna mix these two colors here. And I'm gonna just pop that right here. I don't know if you guys, I don't even know if I mentioned this, but we're doing an all matte look. We're not adding any shimmers, not even to the inner corner. Nope, we're not doing it. Because you guys know I love me some shimmers. Love it down. All right, that's good. And I'm actually gonna wipe off that same brush, and I'm gonna go into Pride Rock, and we're gonna get deeper right in here. Let that smoke that out a bit more. Just a little bit, not doing too much, just a little bit. Boom, and we've created an eyeshadow look. I love looks like this. I think they're so beautiful and so cute. All right, and that is it with this palette. Wow. I'm debating, let me just turn the brightness down really quick. Okay, so now you guys can see a little bit more. You guys can see that love, just, it's so rich and just reminds me of like Nairobi, you know, very Lion King-ish, very much that. And I love it, it's so pretty. I love to line my lash line. I am gonna put on some fluffers today, some big old floofers, the same ones that I put on, I believe, in my live. So before I put those on, I really wanna make sure that my lash band, like the lash line, is hidden. So I'm gonna just go in with this brown liner, just to get really, really close to the lash line. Helps with hiding that lash band. So this is why I do this, because I have really, really curly lashes. And girl, listen, even if I make a mistake on my lashes, I don't need you to see that. You know, I do not need you to see that. I'm actually using Rosewater and Biotin Strip Lash Glue. Ooh-wee. And that's what I'm gonna use for my lashes. Cutting the lashes a little bit, just the very, very end. I've already used these before, but I'm cutting a little bit more because I feel like they were poking me last time. And I know one of them was fine, but I don't want that problem again. I love to just hold the lashes like that, really, really taut. I'm a fan it. I do not blow my lashes, not even for myself. I won't. Okay, I think she's ready. Super, super cute. Okay. Oh, she's giving drama. Oh, I love it. And then, of course, we're going to finish with some mascara. We need those lashes nice and dark. That is so pretty. I don't know what's going on with the shoulder pads, y'all. Can I pet that dog? Can I pet that dog? I'm gonna act like the pads are not even there. Just don't look down. Don't look down, okay? Get into the makeup. It's all about the makeup. And in fact, the makeup was actually inspired by my nails. I'm loving all the browns and the nudes, and it's just like, it's so pretty. I even have nude in the waterline. That is like my favorite. Let me just get in a little closer. There we go. And you guys can see the look a little bit. Super cute. And we're gonna turn down this exposure just a little bit. There we go. I'm definitely gonna link the video to where I did the rest of the makeup. So don't worry, girl, I got you. And if you guys have any questions whatsoever, feel free. You know I'm your girl, I'm your makeup bestie. Hit me up, girl. Send me a little message. and I'm gonna respond right back to you. And if you've gotten this far in the video, send me a turkey so I know that you are watching this before Thanksgiving, and I'm gonna make sure that I shout you out on my next video, girl. I love you guys. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Let me know in the comments what you guys will be cooking. Just let me know. I would love to know what you guys are cooking. If you're cooking anything, you know, where are you going? Where are you guys going for Thanksgiving? Are you guys gonna just be at home, or are you guys gonna go hop around, get some plates? Let me know, girl. I will catch you guys in my next video.